Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel Sukun FM English. We are here to story Shadow King, son-in-law. Today we listen episode number 52. Friends, if you enjoy the story, please like the story and share the story with your friends in WhatsApp groups and also comment in the below comment section. Now let's begin the story. Secret Sanila, episode number 52. On the entry gate, gentle and beautiful girls said to Summer, "If you have not get an invitation card, please forgive me. I cannot let you in." Suddenly, a funny voice come from behind. "This is so funny. I told you, you can't get in without an invitation card. How embarrassing." Summer turned his head and found that it was young Master Ishan. At this time, there was also a few other young boys and girls beside Isan, all wearing expensive clothes. They were obviously children from rich families. Then one of those boys and girls pointed towards Kiara and asked, "Young Master Ishan, young Master Ishan, this is Beauty Queen Kiara, CEO of Agarwal Industry, but who is the poor boy standing next to her?" A glimpse of surprise was visible in her eyes. He knew that young Master Isan is following Kiara's on. He asked deliberately. Young Master Isan replied to the boy with a little smile and said, "Young Master Kant, this is Samar, the simple salesman of Agarwal Industry, but his tongue and head and legs were very active." People standing around were surprised and very excited to hear Ishan sing to the name of Kant, and one of the girls excitedly said, "Wow, this is young Master Kant. I actually show young Master Kant." The other girl standing next to her said, "Young Master Ishan, too, he is only here to young Master Kant." Another said, "We come here just to watch the program, but I did not know that we would get to see two young masters." People standing in front of the hotel were surprised and excited. There were four young masters of Indore city: young Master Ishan, young Master Kant, young Master Vivan, and young Master Gaurav. They were the most powerful young boys of Indore city, who had a lot of money. They were golden bachelors in the eyes of girls. Summer furrowed his eyebrows. From the comments of the crowd, he knew that the two people standing in front of him were part of the four young masters with strong backgrounds and great power. Young Master Kant smiled coldly and said sarcastically to Summer, "Hey boy, you cannot go to the Green Hotel without an invitation. You better leave. Why are you embracing yourself here?" Summer frowned slightly and scolded back, "Whether I can go in or not, in none of your business." Those who mocked him, whether they are four young masters or five, he will definitely answer them. When Summer scolded young Master Kant, young Master Ishan started laughing. He laughed and said, "Ha ha ha! He is called young Master Kant. This boy has a really sharp tongue." Kant's face turned dark and he said in mocking manner, "Son, how dare you scold me? Are you fed up with your life?" His face turned pale in front of young Master Ishan and he felt miserable as if he had swallowed a fly. Summer gave a cold smile and said to Kant, "I am going in. Don't try to get in my way again. Stay away." Suddenly, everyone heard an arrogant voice. "Don't fight, the charity event is about to start. Go inside quickly." Everyone saw an old man scolding at the door. The old man was in tan suit, had a fair complexion and white hair. He was a very extravagant and arrogant man. His name was Rajesh Kumar, the grand old man of Kapoor Group of Industry, the housekeeper. who was responsible for Pile's security. He had a very high position in their house. Young master Kant pointed at Summer and said, Butter Rajesh, this boy does not have an invitation card. Why don't we ask him to leave? His face was full of mockery and arrogance. Hearing Kant's words, Rajesh Kumar furrowed slightly and said to Samar, Sir, please show me your invitation card. Samar shook his head and replied directly, Sorry, but I don't have an invitation card. Butter Rajesh also said in clear voice, Sir, if you don't have an invitation card, then please go away from here. Hearing this, the people standing around started gossips among themselves again. A boy said, Oh, it is so shameful that in those top beauty will actually be a boy who does not have an invitation. Another boy said, I would said it would be better if Kiara goes inside with younger master Ishan and young master Karthik. Then someone pointed at Summer and said, Just look at the poor guy. He just wanted to go inside and eat for free. Everyone started talking about Summer and looked at him with disdain. Although this guy looked good, they could all tell that he was definitely a poor guy from the dirty clothes he was wearing. But what the driving everyone crazy was how he was actually standing next to the top beauty of Indore city. Rajesh Kumar was still polite to Summer and with some politeness told him, Sir, if you don't have an invitation card, then you can't go inside. Please don't make noise here. Go away from here. Kiara could no longer control her anger and suddenly brushed out at Summer and said, Summer, I told you that I don't want to go, and you still forcibly brought me here. Now, see how insulted I'm being. How shameful. She felt very uncomfortable and felt that it was big mistake to come with Summer. Now, she had to endure people's laughter and taunts, which made her even more angry. Why did her husband keep making her angry? She felt very disappointed and said, Young Master Ishan said arrogantly, holding his invitation card, Miss Kiara, I don't think you can get in with this man. Come to me here and I will take you in. Young Master Karthik also showed off his invitation card and said, Miss Kiara, I have two an invitation card. Come with me. Undoubtedly, both these young masters were arrogant to a certain extent. Hearing their words, Samar started getting angry. He thought to himself in anger, Are you trying to tease my wife in front of me? I will not let you go like this. Samar made a face and said to Butler Rajesh, Will you let me in if I show you this? Saying this, he took out a platinum card from his pocket and showed it to the butler Rajesh. Just then a short-haired boy standing there laughed and said, Haha, what did I just see? A platinum card. How funny a guy is to think he can get it with a little card. Saying this, he started laughing at Summer with sarcasm. More people started gathering in the hotel and started watching the drama. They were all looking down at Summer. They all knew that you had to have an invitation card to attend the charity event. This stupid guy really had no idea what he was doing. Kara face turned pale after getting so much insult. She wanted to dig a hole and hide herself. While everyone was making fun of Summer, only Rajesh Kumar was staring at him when he showed the platinum card. But our Rajesh rubbed his eyes and asked in surprise, Sir, is this a 5-star platinum card? 5-star platinum card, a card that only three peoples in the entire Kapoor group of industries had. One was in the hands of the CEO, one was in the hands of mayor, and the last card in the hands of this young man. Standing in front of them, Butler Rajesh could not believe his eyes. Putting his card back, Summer softly asked the Butler Rajesh, I am asking you again, can I go in now? Butler Rajesh politely showed Summer and Kiara the way. Of course, please come in, sir. I will guide you. Butler Rajesh completely ignored young Master Ishan and young Master Karthik. Butler Rajesh knew that the 5-star platinum card was definitely a cut above all the invitation cards. To some extent, everyone invited to the event, including the young master, knew that the card was a 5-star platinum card. Ishan and young master Karthik were also present. They could not even be compared to Summer, who was the most important guest at the charity event tonight. Kira was very confused and could not believe what was happening. She said to herself, what is this happening? The Kapoor family's butler himself taking to in Summer inside was. She was shocked and never thought that Summer would actually had a 5-star platinum card. Kira felt guilty again. She did not trust Summer this time again and misunderstood them. He was actually bringing her to the charity event and she even became the most special guest of the event. Just then a boy standing behind young Master Isan at the door asked him in surprise, young Master Isan, what is the platinum card that was in hand of that man? Who forced Mr. Rajesh to take that loser inside? Another one said, yes, young Master Ishan, Mr. Rajesh have never guided even the CEO of the billion-dollar company, but why this poor guy today? Another one said, tell us, young Master Ishan, is that platinum card really so powerful that even the butler Rajesh got scarred? Everyone started asking different questions out of curiosity. While everyone was asking them questions, young Master Isan and young Master Karthik were feeling disappointed. They were also wondering what that card was, something that they did not even have. Since he did not have how prestigious a platinum card was, he did not think it was to say anything and simply gave him invitations card to the receptionist and quickly went inside. What was happening in the inside? Stay tuned with Sukun FM English. If you enjoy the story, please like the story, share the story, and comment in below comment section also.